How BlackRock became the world's largest asset manager? Ever think about how a company that started in 1988 got to have over $9 trillion in assets? BlackRock has become the world's biggest asset manager very quickly. What's the secret? This video goes into great detail about the plans, new ideas, and important events that led to BlackRock's huge success. With more than $9 trillion in assets under management (AUM), BlackRock Incorporated is the biggest asset manager in the world and a name that is linked to global banking. This huge number shows not only how powerful BlackRock is in the investment management business, but also how it affects countries and financial markets around the world. How they became the biggest asset manager in the world is a story of strategic foresight, new technology, and mergers and deals that changed everything. It goes into detail about how BlackRock got to this amazing place and the main reasons for its unmatched growth. The building blocks of BlackRock. BlackRock was started by Larry Fink, Robert S. Capito, and a few other people in 1988. The company began as a risk management and fixed income institutional trading business. It was founded on the idea that big investors should get help managing risk, which was a key strategy in its growth. Larry Fink, who helped start the company and is now its chairman and CEO, wanted to make it a place where people could get the best risk management and financial advice. Institutional investors thought they needed more advanced tools to better handle their investments and risks, which led to this idea. Early on, the company did very well because it took a new approach to risk management and put a lot of effort into knowing and reducing investment risks. BlackRock is different from its rivals because it is dedicated to using technology and data to improve the way it invests. What technology has to do with Aladdin? BlackRock's rise to the top of the asset management business is due in large part to its innovative use of technology. BlackRock's own risk management and analytics platform called Aladdin is a key part of this technological edge. When it first came out in 1999, Aladdin was made to meet the specific needs of large buyers. The app has a full set of tools for managing portfolios, figuring out risk, and analyzing investments. Based on real-time data and complex modeling, it lets clients evaluate their investments, handle risks, and make smart choices. Aladdin's success comes from the fact that it can handle both risk management and wealth management. Aladdin helps owners make smart choices and get the most out of their investments by giving them a full picture of their portfolios and possible risks. As more companies in the industry use the platform, it strengthened BlackRock's place as a leader in investment management and gave the company more power as other companies tried to use Aladdin's features. For BlackRock, the rise of Aladdin also meant that their technology services grown. The company started selling licenses for Aladdin to other asset managers, financial institutions, and businesses. This brought in more money and made the company stronger in the financial technology field. Strategic joint ventures and purchases. BlackRock's rise to become the biggest asset manager in the world was greatly sped up by smart deals and acquisitions. It was very important for the company's growth that it could find and combine acquisitions that helped its main business. Acquiring State Street Research and Management in 2005 was one of BlackRock's first big deals. They added $49 billion to AUM, and it was one of the company's first big purchases. With this purchase, BlackRock gained more experience handling both stock and bond investments, which allowed it to offer a wider range of investment products. When Merrill Lynch Investment Managers merged with us in 2006 in a historic deal, BlackRock merged with Merrill Lynch Investment Managers (MLIM), which greatly increased its AUM and footprint around the world. The merger not only made BlackRock better at investing, but it also gave them access to more clients in foreign markets. Acquisition of BGI. 2009. BlackRock's acquisition of Barclays Global Investors (BGI) changed everything. BlackRock built its business around the iShares exchange-traded funds (ETFs), which BGI was known for. BlackRock is now the biggest ETF provider in the world, with $1.4 trillion in AUM thanks to the purchase. Acquisition of Aperio Group 2020. BlackRock bought Aperio Group, a top provider of customized stock portfolios, which made it even better at making custom investment solutions. This purchase made BlackRock even more dedicated to providing customized investment plans and strengthened its place in the investment management business. BlackRock was able to broaden its range of products, reach more people around the world, and improve its skills in a number of asset classes and investment strategies by making these smart purchases. BlackRock's rapid growth and dominance in the asset management industry were helped by the special strengths and resources that came with each acquisition. Going into new markets and making investment products. BlackRock has grown through both mergers and acquisitions and by being able to change with the times and come up with new ideas to meet the needs of investors. Expansion into emerging markets. BlackRock has consciously grown its footprint in emerging markets like Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East, where it sees room for growth. The company has been able to take advantage of opportunities in these rapidly growing areas and bring in clients from around the world thanks to its global network and local knowledge. Growth of ETFs and index funds. BlackRock's growth has been driven in large part by its focus on ETFs and index funds. Since the company bought iShares through the BEI deal, it has grown into one of the biggest and most successful ETF lines in the business. BlackRock's huge AUM is due in part to its ability to come up with new ETF products and add to its existing ones. This has helped it attract a wide range of clients. Sustainable investing. BlackRock has become a star in sustainable investing as environmental, social, and governance (ESG) issues have become more important. The company has promised to use ESG factors in its investment decisions and has came out with a number of environmentally friendly investment options to meet the rising demand for responsible investing. BlackRock has been able to stay ahead of competitors and take advantage of new possibilities by staying on top of market trends and investor tastes. The fact that BlackRock is always adding new products and going into new markets has helped it become the biggest asset manager in the world. What institutional clients do? Another reason for BlackRock's success is that it has good relationships with its big clients. The company's main goal has always been to work with big institutional clients like pension funds, endowments, foundations, and sovereign wealth funds. Institutional clients are usually long-term investors with a lot of money to spend. They look for investment managers who have the skills and resources to properly manage their portfolios. Because BlackRock can provide complete investment options, risk management services, and custom strategies, big investors choose it as their partner of choice. Because the company wants to give its institutional clients value, it has built long-lasting ties with them and now manages a steady flow of assets. BlackRock has become the leader in asset management thanks in large part to its respect for excellence and its ability to meet the complex needs of institutional clients. Dealing with problems and debates. BlackRock has had problems and been in a lot of trouble along the way, even though it has been successful. Because of its size and power, the company has come under a lot of scrutiny and attack. Regulatory scrutiny. Because BlackRock is the biggest asset manager, governments and regulatory groups are looking at it more closely. Concerns about its impact on the market, possible conflicts of interest, and part in keeping the economy stable have led to calls for more openness and rules. ESG criticisms. BlackRock has accepted sustainable investing and ESG factors, but has been criticized by a number of groups. Some critics say that the company's ESG commitments aren't strong enough or that it might put financial success ahead of social and environmental impacts. Market volatility. Because BlackRock is so big and has offices all over the world, it is vulnerable to changes in the market and economic uncertainty. Global economic conditions, interest rates, and geopolitical events can have an effect on the company's success, which can have an effect on its AUM and investment returns. BlackRock has had to stay alert and flexible in order to deal with these problems. It has been very important for the company to be able to deal with legal issues, ESG criticism, and market risks in order to keep being the biggest asset manager in the world. What's next for BlackRock? When BlackRock thinks about the future, it sees both chances and problems. Trends in the asset management business are changing quickly because of new technologies, shifting investor tastes, and changing market conditions. Embracing technology, BlackRock is likely to keep using technology and data analytics to improve how it makes investments and helps clients. New developments in AI, machine learning, and big data will be very important for future growth and staying ahead of the competition. Adapting to market trends. The company will have to keep an eye on changing market trends like how sustainable trading is becoming more popular, how digital assets are becoming more popular, and how changes in demographics are affecting the market. It will have to change its strategies to deal with these trends if it wants to keep growing and meet investor standards. Global expansion. BlackRock will need to keep going into new areas and emerging markets in order to grow. The company can take advantage of opportunities in a wide range of areas and bring in new clients thanks to its global reach and local knowledge. BlackRock's future and continued dominance in the asset management industry will depend on how well it handles these problems and takes advantage of new possibilities. BlackRock has become the biggest asset manager in the world thanks to its strategic vision, ability to come up with new ideas, and flexibility in responding to changes in the market. With a history that starts as a risk management company and ends as a global financial powerhouse, BlackRock has grown through smart acquisitions, new technology, and a dedication to serving big clients. Because it has cutting-edge technology, complete investment options, and a good grasp of market trends, the company is very successful. As BlackRock continues to change and adapt to the complicated world of finance, the fact that it is still the biggest asset manager in the world shows how influential and leading it is in the asset management field. If you're fascinated by the world of finance and want to stay updated on the latest trends and insights from the biggest names in the industry, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.